asunto-osakeyhtiö Liipolan Lehto.
Well, this is amazing too, today on the 17th of July 2024. And we have Lehtokatu 3, staircase E. No, it's F, sorry, staircase F. We have only one left to be filmed here, which is the staircase E in this building. We are in Liipola, Lahti, Finland as well. It was built in 1970 by Kone with proposed fixtures. That's improvisation 18035. The rest is 4% trained webcams, so let's try to get 2 rides here. I love the sound and smell here.
Same. Inspektiivitpaikki vain sitten, että meidän eteenpäin Suomen hissiurakointi.
Might be from the beginning of 1970, but I'm not sure, but it could be.
Yeah.
But it's possible.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we can get to the staircase E as soon as possible. The last one to be filmed here.
That's